So we're talking about your suspense film today. All right. You're going to be using your cell phone to film your suspense film. Okay. Now a couple of things I want to show you here. It's very simple, and you're just going to use the camera in your phone. And if you do not have a phone, I can provide you with one of our point and shoot cameras. I prefer you use your phone because I only have a handful of them. All right. So what you do is you'd be using the forward, FaceTime type camera, so you'd see stuff like this. You'd see yourself in the shot, all right? But you're pointing that at yourself as you're filming. So I'm going to show you an example here. I'm filming myself looking around the room, looking for whatever is making this noise. Because again, we're doing a very simple thing here. We're doing a very simple film where you hear a noise and you go investigate it. Something happens. Movie's over, just like that, okay? So that's what we've got, just like this, you're using this, but you're using a point of view, which means you're seeing POV of yourself, like this is you filming yourself, and then you're going to stop filming, flip the camera, and then we're going to see what you see. Okay, so you're filming yourself first, and then you go through and do the same thing again, filming what you just looked at. So you can edit that together. Okay? It's a very simple process. You can be creative with it if you want and change things, like add different aspects of the film if you want. Like, but I want it to be you in the film. You, right there. You right there in the film. And keep it simple. No, it doesn't have to have any dialogue. So no spoken dialogue. Just do it through action. So we say in the film world, one of the terms that we can use for this would be show, don't tell. Okay? So that's one of the things I want you to do. And if you want your dog in it, your cat in it, or somebody else to be in it with you, yeah, sure, you can do that. But keep it simple. Keep it to 2 minutes or less, 1.5 to 2 minutes. And, you're going to have different shots like this POV shot. Like I said, you're holding up your phone and you're showing what you are seeing as the actor, what you're seeing. And then we're also seeing your view, what it looks like on your face as you look too. Okay? Get some, get a good variety of shots. However you want to do it, however you want to make this work for you is good. Okay? You're again going through the idea here is you hear a sound outside, you look, you go investigate it, something happens to you, movie's over. Okay? In 2 minutes or less. 1.5 would be the shortest. 2 minutes is the longest. Okay? So keep that in mind. It's not a long film. Very easy to do, and you're going to edit. You're bringing in your footage off your phone to your Google Drive so you can download it at school to edit it. Now, if you wanted to edit on your phone, you can. But I prefer it to be edited at school so that I can be there to help supervise and give you some tips, because we're going to go through and do some dailies, which you know what a daily is. Then you're going to do a rough cut, and then you're going to do a final cut. And then even after what you think is your final cut, you may even have to do some more work on it. Because in the interim, when we are at school, we are going to be working on sound design. So sound design is something to help create the effects, the sound effects that you need to add to make your film more scary, more suspenseful. Okay, so remember, shooting horizontal, not this way, wrong, this way, and you're shooting with the camera facing you, looking at whatever you're looking at. Flip the camera around and see what you are supposed to be seeing with the actor's eyes, okay? All right, so this is how this works. Let's put this together. You're going to film probably at night at home. You can film during the day if you want to, but at night is more dramatic. Keep it short, keep it simple, have fun with it, okay? Good luck. Take care.